Hi, Tammy with Minard's Leisure World. Join me as I take you through the 2024 Grey Wolf 29NM. This is a family one slide model. Never had it before in our inventory and we're super excited to have it. Weighing in at 7,000 pounds dry. Let's get started here. So we have your underbelly storage. Cargo doors have the magnetic latches for your convenience. This coach is also solar equipped, so standard 100 watt panel and an additional 100 watt panel. So 200 watts of solar on this unit. Nice power awning here, outside speakers. And this guy also has your outside kitchen. So you've got a mini fridge, an ice maker, access to water right here, and then your stove slash griddle. So it actually has your grill, and then you can actually change it out and you have the flat top griddle, which it comes with as well. So two different options for cooking there. Moving along to the back of the coach here, as I mentioned, this is a family model. So it is a bunk model, little different, and we'll see what I'm talking about when we get inside. But you actually have a cargo door here that is going to give you access to store larger items, that sort of thing, when you are in travel. Don't want you to see too much. We'll check that out when we get inside. On the back of the coach here, we have your flip down cargo rack. It is backup camera equipped as well. And it is prepped for a ladder if you choose to add a ladder. So we're inside the 2024 Grey Wolf 29NM. Very spacious family model here. A little bit different of a floor plan, and I'm kind of excited about it. So you've got an angled wall here that is where you would mount your television. Comes with an electric fireplace. And across from that, we have the jackknife sofa. So great angle for watching movies, TV, that sort of thing. So moving on into the kitchen area, I guess, the dining area. Nice large U-shaped dinette. That's one thing that I love about the Grey Wolf models. They have great sized dinettes. Pop it down to a bed. You can actually sleep a couple on there if need be. They have storage drawers on each end, full extended, so lots of room on each end of the dinette here to put all those extra goodies that you might have. Moving along into the kitchen here, a new feature kind of in the RV industry, and especially with the Grey Wolves, they've got what they call a smart sink. So you've got a wooden chopping block here. You have a rinsing tray for maybe your vegetables, that sort of thing. Another style of a rinsing tray, or you've got your one-piece farm sink. In addition to that, you actually have your glass washer. I should have brought a glass, but just press your glass down on here, and that gives your glasses an extra rinse as well. You've got a little bit of a drying rack here, and just super cool features. You've got your cutting board and your residential pull-out faucet. Nice deep counter space at the back here, so a place for your coffee maker, your toaster, that sort of thing. Decent storage up above as well. Nice deep cabinets. They've actually come out with new latches, so they're not kind of the catch that you're used to, but they're a magnetic latch, and they're not going anywhere when you're traveling, so they're nice and sturdy. 3-burner cooktop, and it's got your glass protective cover here that you just flip back, and that kind of acts like a backsplash when you're cooking. Super cool new feature. Your microwave, which is actually has the air fryer and a dehydrator function, and it also has convection bake too. So no actual oven, but you've got an air fryer, dehydrator, and convection with this unit. 10 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator. The 12 volt refrigerators are so spacious. They're more efficient. They cool faster when you're traveling. You don't have to worry about having propane on because they are 12 volt, which is generated by your solar charging your battery. Nice size pantry along the side here as well. So you've got 4 shelves, nice and deep. They've got good height to them, perfect for those cereal boxes. I always seem to struggle with the cereal boxes to know where to put them, but you've got lots of room in there. So heading to the back of the coach here, let's check out this very unique bunk room. But first, right on the just outside the door of the bunk room, they've got an extra little closet here. Great place for maybe your bug sprays, your sunscreens, that sort of thing, anything that you need easy access to maybe from the front door. And what I do love about the Grey Wolf 29NM as well is they actually have solid doors. No curtains, nothing like that. You actually have solid swinging doors. Let's check it out. So as mentioned, super unique bunk room or multi-purpose room, maybe, whatever you wish to call it. You do have 2 bunks across the top here. And then super unique on the bottom, you've actually got 2 sofas with a table. So these are jackknife sofas. When put down, it actually turns into a queen size bed. So you've got another great space for a couple and maybe a couple of kids as well. Maybe your brother, sister-in-law, and the kids are coming to stay, or grandma and grandpa and a few extra nieces or nephews. So very universal use in this room. And you do have USB plugs throughout the back room here, and a nice storage closet at the end of the room here as well for all of their goodies, and a place to mount a TV for them on the back wall. Come along with me as we check out the pass-through bathroom. So the bonus about a pass-through washroom is it gives you lots of floor space. This one specifically has great vanity countertop. You've got a medicine cabinet above, your sink and storage below. Nice little area here where you can maybe roll some towels and have them sitting in there as well. Foot flush toilet and a great size shower. What I love about this shower is it actually even has a little bit of a basin to it. So 3 to 4 inches of space in there. So if you have smaller kids that you maybe need to bathe, or those grandbabies, you certainly can do so. Up in the master bedroom here, we have your queen size bed, a couple reading lights across the top. You've got storage across the top as well, nice and deep. You can even put some baskets up there if you choose. And side hanging rods on each side. These are nice and deep too. I know a lot of people maybe even like to put shelves in there if you choose to, but no shortage of storage there. And of course, like most RVs, there's storage under the bed as well. At the foot of the bed here, they've added more storage. You can never have enough storage, especially in a bedroom. So you've got the cabinets there, a couple more cabinets below, and they actually have an open cutout at the bottom, which I love because you can put your extra shoes and whatnot down below. So thanks for joining me on this tour of the 2024 Grey Wolf 29NM, an all-new floor plan from Cherokee Grey Wolf. We're super excited to have it on our lot. Say that this coach is equipped with an on-demand water heater for your convenience, no having to wait for that water to heat up again for the next person to have a shower. If you have any questions, give us a shout. Minard's Leisure World, Weyburn and Watrous, Saskatchewan.